Airplanes stay in the sky through a combination of aerodynamics and engine propulsion. The shape of the wings, specifically the airfoil design, creates lift as air flows over and under them. This lift counters the force of gravity, allowing the aircraft to stay airborne. Engines provide the necessary thrust to move the plane forward, and control surfaces like ailerons, elevators, and rudders help maintain stability and direction. Pilots adjust these surfaces to control the aircraft's attitude and navigate through the air. Overall, the careful balance of lift, thrust, and control enables airplanes to stay in flight.